All right. Here we want to state whether the vectors are parallel, orthogonal, or neither. We know V is 3i plus j, W is I minus 3j. So 3i plus j can be written as 3, 1. There is a 1 in front of I. 1 times j. So there is a 1 in front of j. In front of I is 3. Similarly, in front of I here is 1. So that's why you have a 1, negative 3. Okay. Now we know cosine alpha. Alpha is the angle between two vectors. Can be calculated in this way. And we can see here 3 times 1, 3 times 1 plus y times y. Here is 1 times negative 3. Numerator is 0. Denominator is the length of v times the length of w. And it doesn't matter how those values for denominator end up with. If numerator is 0, you get 0. Numerator here is actually what? It's actually dot product. Dot product of vector v and w. So if basically the dot product is 0, you get cosine alpha is 0. Cosine alpha is 0, alpha has to be 90 degrees because cosine 90 degrees is 0. Then it tells us the angle in between V and W is 90 degrees. So then we call two vectors are perpendicular or orthogonal. They are the same thing. Orthogonal or perpendicular are the same thing. So in future, if we want to see if two vectors are perpendicular or not, we just need to calculate the dot product. Using x times x plus y times y, if it ends up with 0, then we know those two vectors are orthogonal. That's very powerful thing. X times x plus y times y. So you see here, 3 times 1 plus 1 times negative 3. So in this case, we know vector v and vector w are what? Are orthogonal. Okay? All right. I'll see you next time.